Hey folks, and welcome to a very busy week 10. Like I said last week, it's going to be pretty tight this week. There are two sets of turnarounds. So one on Thursday this week, the 29th, and one on Monday, April 2nd. Okay? So by Thursday, watch the video. You're in good shape already. Look at the sample research answers. This is based upon one of the samples I offered you last week. So this one just happens to have the answers built into it, okay? So you can take a look at that. Then I want you to, after you finish your research, complete your own template from last week with the green and orange parts, the answer and the citation, and go ahead and submit them right here. Okay. Once you feel like you have a good understanding of your research answers, you've submitted them, watch the video on introductory paragraphs. That's down here. Okay. So a quick video on introductory paragraphs, a sample intro, and then finally a Dropbox. Okay. And then write and submit your introductory paragraph. That's all by Thursday. So finish your research and then write your introductory paragraph. Okay. By Monday, I'm going to spend Friday morning digging in and looking at your research answers and looking at your intro paragraph. So by Monday, I want you to look for feedback on your research answers. I want you to look for feedback in D2L on your intro paragraph, review citation basics, which is all the way down here, and then write and submit the SA3 draft. Peer review is next week, okay? So if I give you some feedback on your research answers and you look at this and go, I can't get this done before, that's fine. You can submit the draft you've got and keep working on adding research during the peer review process as well. Okay, one of the nice things about Google Drive is you can keep doing work on it as well. So if you need, so long as you get the essay submitted in time so I can push it out for peer review on starting at this coming Monday, the 2nd, you can keep working on it Tuesday, Wednesday in Google Drive, okay, as people are doing peer review, okay? You can kind of live work with your partners on this, all right? If you have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to let me know, and I will be glad to help.